एआई ने तो हमारी दुनिया बदल दी है, आवर वर्ल्ड एंड एवरीवन एल्स अराउंड अस। लेकिन एआई इन अ टीवी, क्या ये इतना बिग गेम चेंजर है लाइक इन अदर थिंग्स? कैन इट टेक आवर टीवी वॉचिंग एक्सपीरियंस to a whole new level? That's what we're about to find out with this absolutely stunning, big, beautiful QN900D 85-inch 8K Neo QLED AI TV। नाम बहुत भारी भरकम है, काम उतना है कि नहीं? We're about to find out। अब Samsung का promise है that this comes with features that will make your home a legitimate सिनेमा हॉल और सॉल्व कर देगा सारी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स दैट कम्स विद वाचिंग टीवी, प्लेइंग गेम्स एंड अ होल लॉट मोर। वी आर अबाउट टू फाइंड आउट इफ व्हाट सैमसंग क्लेम्स इज एक्चुअली ट्रू। काफी बड़ी बात है, all problems solved, because if it is, then this is going to be huge. Personally, we've been using this TV for about 2 weeks now. यहाँ पे बहुत चीजें देखी, गेमिंग की, क्रिकेट देखा, मूवीज देखी, बहुत कुछ किया। So I'm all set to tell you the real story. शुरू करते हैं with design, because that is so obvious, right? Premium frameless Infinity Air design है, zero bezels, absolutely nil, gives you a very immersive theater-like experience. Metal stand है इसके नीचे, very sturdy, very well balanced. Thanks to QLED technology used, ultra thin profile है, just 12.9 mm, making it the slimmest 8K TV in the market. TV इतना बड़ा, इतना पतला, this is seriously impressive technology and innovation. Now it comes with this metal frame all around, feels solid or premium. Ports or connections are on this one connect box जो connect करता है to the TV with just a single cable, यानी कि you can be very very neat how you want your TV to look. No wires hanging around at all. चलते हैं towards the display जो हम लोग हमेशा देखेंगे on a TV. अब आपको तो ये तो already पता है, who is the display king in the industry? और ये TV underline करता है उस fact को। This supports a huge 85-inch QLED display with a 8K resolution. ये feature करता है 33 million pixels, 4 times higher than a typical 4K resolution TV. और thanks to the Quantum Matrix Pro with mini LED technology and anti-reflective coating used, colors में देखो, आप देख रहे होंगे कितने bright, कितने vibrant है, with amazing brightness for any lighting condition. अब 8K TV, आप बोलोगे मेरे पास 8K content तो है नहीं इतना। This is powered by the N8Q AI Gen 3 processor. ये यूज करता है AI and 512 AI neural networks to upscale any content up to 8K resolution. Even 720p HD video को upscale करता है and it looks really really good using that AI and on-device processing. Display जो है is actually Pantone validated, meaning true to life and authentic colors are guaranteed. इसमें AI customization mode जो है वो adjust करता है colors, temperature, contrast, brightness according to the content you're watching, automatically करेगा. AI Motion Enhancer Pro है that tracks fast motion in the content और enhance कर देता है for a clearer motion. Football match देख रहे हो, the TV uses AI processing to track the ball and makes it high quality so that ball remains sharp and detailed. Same for cricket too. मैंने बोला ना 2 हफ्ते से हम लोग बहुत क्रिकेट देख रहे हैं. That ball is always in focus. Such a cool feature for people who enjoy watching sports. अब इसमें Real Depth Enhancer Pro भी है, improves the contrast and definition of subject in scenes. Images pop करती हैं with better depth and quality. It also comes with a 100 Hz refresh rate at 8K resolution and features motion accelerator 2.0. इसके साथ you can go to 4K resolution at a whopping 240 Hz refresh rate. That's amazing. We played a lot of games on it and the experience was absolutely amazing. Great sound and picture quality, up to 240 Hz, smooth frame rate, no lag or tearing on the big screen. अब चलते हैं towards the one thing most TVs fail at, sound. अब solid sound के बिना theater तो completely बन ही नहीं सकता, right? Great picture actually requires great sound quality. इसमें है outstanding 90 watt total sound output with Dolby Atmos support. From dialogues to on-screen action, everything comes to life. More than enough sound to fill up a big open-air living room. आप बोलोगे यार sound सिर्फ मैं बातें कर रहा हूँ। नहीं, I'm going to give you a demo right now.
बहन जी के हाथ में को पहली बार किसी ने चप्पल मारी है।
Active Voice Amplifier Pro जो है uses AI algorithms to enhance the audio to the next level. घर के पास कुछ construction चल रही है आपकी, no issue. Using AI, it recognizes the background sound and on-screen content और boost कर देता है dialogue accordingly. Gives you very very clear dialogue delivery even in a noisy environment. एक और बहुत ही interesting feature है Q Symphony. आप connect कर सकते हैं Samsung soundbar या music frames to the TV and get perfect sound synchronization and a very immersive sound experience. अब कुछ features के बारे में बात करते हैं. It runs on the Tizen OS out of the box. सारे popular streaming apps are already built in, plus you can download anything from the store. Software runs fast, it's snappy. After all, this got great processing inside. Built-in SmartThings app भी है इसमें. Effortlessly आप connect कर सकते हैं with other smart gadgets in your home without the need for any external dongle. Plus, through SmartThings, you can use your smartphone as a remote control and access everything in one click. अब चलते हैं towards another very interesting feature जो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं. Samsung TV Plus provides 100 plus live local and international channels for free directly on the TV. आपको अब कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है सेट टॉप बॉक्स की या DTH कनेक्शन की. चलते हैं towards the people who love gaming on a big screen. इसमें है AI auto game mode, डिटेक्ट करता है the played game genre and automatically adjust करता है the picture and sound quality accordingly and it gives the best gaming experience. इसमें inbuilt cloud gaming भी है. Directly play your favorite game directly on the TV using cloud gaming from OnePlay and AntPlay. No need to get any console or PC also. फिर Knox Matrix ensure करता है 3-level security solution which works in all areas of the TV including hardware, platform and services. इसका मतलब है your smart TV is also secure from any malicious operations. अब price और verdict पे आते हैं. Of course, that's the reason you come out here, right? लेना है कि नहीं लेना है? Because this is the most important one, and of course everybody will be asking, इतना कमाल का TV, इतना बड़ा 8K कितने का है? If you're looking for the real no compromise flagship TV experience, then this is a no-brainer. Features like flagship bright and vibrant 8K 100Hz QLED display, 90-watt sound system, premium build and design, premium AI upscaling है, 4K up to 240Hz gaming mode है, बहुत कुछ और है. AI features तो इसमें भरे हुए हैं in the core of the TV. So this makes it a true champion and all of this could be yours for a price that I've given you on the screen. तो क्या है final verdict? Does AI take TV watching to a level that has never been seen or heard before? देखिए, the answer is super simple and I think I've already demonstrated to you. Absolute resounding yes. ये एक game changer है that TVs needed and Samsung has delivered. If you have any other questions, put them in the comments. और एक बार आपके पास ये TV आ गया, you must tell me what would be the first thing that you would watch in it? A movie, some incredible OTT TV series, some World Cup game, or play a game of your own? Subscribe to the Tech Magnified channel and ring the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.